Hi guys, my name is Tito, and in this short video, I'll be showing you how you can create and fund your very first investment plan on the RiseVest app after you've downloaded the app and registered on it. With RiseVest, you can diversify your investments in dollar-based investments in either Eurobonds, American real estate portfolios, or stock portfolios. And you do this by creating an investment plan on the app consisting of at least one of those three investments, and then you fund the app. Here's how to do it. Once you've registered on the home page, click on Add Plan to create your first plan. Step 2. Next, select if you want to create a Eurobond, a real estate, or a stock plan. You can create different plans, by the way, so if you choose one now, it doesn't mean you can't choose others later. I want a Eurobond plan, so I'll select Eurobonds. Once you hit select, it will tell you a little bit about Eurobonds. I actually have a video on Eurobonds, so check that out later to learn more about them. Now I'll click next. For step 3, you choose how long you want to invest for with this particular plan. You can choose between 3 months, which gives you a 3% return on your investment, 6 months, which gives you a 6% return on your investment, or 12 months, which will give you a 12% return on your investment. I'll choose 6 months. Step 4. Next, you give this new plan a name. I'll call this one Eurobond 01. Step 5. Next, you identify how often you'd like to fund this plan. So if you want to invest in it regularly, you can automate it so the money will be taken from your account and invested in the plan at regular intervals. I don't want to do that, so I'll just select just once and hit next. Step 6. Now I enter how much I want to invest in this fund. I can enter either the dollar amount or the naira amount, and Rise will do the conversion using their own exchange rate. The minimum is $10, so I'll do that, and Rise says that is 4,500 naira. I'll click next. Step 7. Next, you state if you'd like your money to be reinvested after the investment tenure, or you'd like to cash out. No matter what you choose here, you can always edit it later if you change your mind. I'll select Yes, Reinvest. After clicking Next, you'll see a summary of the new plan you're about to create. You can see the date the investment will mature as well as the interest rate. I'm doing 6 months, so my interest rate will be half of 12%. I'll click Yes, Create Plan. Step 8. Next is how I fund the plan. I can either pay with my Rise wallet, which is empty for now, or pay with my debit card, which is what I'll choose. Here I enter my card details. Some of you are familiar with this part. The payment is secured by Paystack, and I'll enter my debit card number, the expiry date of my card, and the CVV, which is the 3-digit number at the back of my debit card. Then I click Pay 4,500 naira. Step 10. Next, I'm sent an OTP, a one-time password, to my email as well as my SMS inbox, and I fill it in the space and click Authorize. And that's it. Payment successful. And almost instantly, you'll get a debit alert from your bank. You'll get a notification of the $5 bonus from RiseVest for making your very first investment. You'll also get an email saying your investment was successful, and you'll also receive a receipt for the transaction from Paystack. Now, if you haven't registered on RiseVest, please can feel free to check out my previous video on how to register, and remember to use my referral code showing on the screen. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe as well, especially if you're into personal finance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.